Hello, today I'd like to share my review about Pansy hair removal products. It's so popular, I see them everywhere on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, so let's take a look. So I've got 3 products here. I've got the large hair removal spray, a smaller version of the hair removal spray, and also the growth inhibitor spray. It smells fresh, like aloe, like cucumber, and the instructions on the box just say to give it a really good shake and then spray it, cover and wait until the hair gets curly and then simply wipe away. So let's have a look. I've been deliberately leaving my underarms and waiting for this moment, so I'm very excited to see the results. So now I'm just gonna wait until the hair gets curly and then simply wipe it away. So it takes about 8 to 10 minutes to process and get the result. So let's check it out in 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, it's been about 8 minutes. It says to keep it on for about 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh wow. Wow, it's really easy to use and not sticky at all. I feel very clean. It actually has a hair growth inhibitor ingredient, which will help to slow the hair growing back, making it less obvious. So I'm going to use now the Pansy hair growth inhibitor spray after the hair removal because it says it will even have a better result. Okay, my final points, I really like it. It works well on my legs too and safe for your more delicate areas. I'm very satisfied with this, and according to other reviews, people don't have to use it much for a month or so to maintain. So I'm really excited about this. So no more laser or shaving.